Hindi niyo po kaya magyate sa Dubai. Are you challenging me right now because I feel so challenged? Kaya ko magyate, pero kung hindi ko kaya magyate, hindi ko na to i-upload. Pero, gagawin ko lahat para makapagyate today. Now, I need to wake up my friends. Direk! Ay, wala si Direk. Si Yaya na lang. Gumising ka. Bisa mo, magbe-breakfast tayo sa yate. Bumangon ka dyan, magbe-breakfast tayo sa yate. Pilisan mo! Magyayate kami.
Sama ko?
Ayoko? Now, I need... Yes, magyayate tayo. Di ka nga kasama.
Favorite tissue.
Ikaw ang sasakyan ko, camel ka.
Favorite?
Mag-prepare ka na magyayate tayo. At hindi lang to basta-bastang yate. Alam mo kung bakit? Rerentahan ko yung yate.
Wow!
Yes! Kaya ko to. Walang kaya... You don't trust me. You don't trust me?
Wow!
Hold my phone.
My friend, I am so sorry.
Yan na naman siya. Drama queen.
You want to comfort me?
I need a yak.
Veterans move ka naman.
I need a party. Kailangan ko na yate para magdrama.
Veterans move.
You don't want? I will block you if you don't want me. I will prepare. Are you prepared?
Ang ganda.
Let's go? You will rent a yak now?
Oh, apo.
Okay, let's go, my friend. Oh my God, you are my best friend in the whole wide world.
Yeah!
Grabe, ang pogi ng shibuli ko.
Sama ako.
Of course. Paano nila malalaman na hindi ako mayaman kung wala akong dalang camel? Let's go, my little camel. Look at this. Meron kaming private car. Oh my God, I will ride it. Look at him. Shibuli, are you happy? You're with me.
Very happy.
I'm very, very happy. You're like my Jollibee. My little Chabelita. I love you, Chabelita.
Chabilita.
Oh my God, kawawa naman yung favorite kong shibuli. Are you sleeping, my favorite shibuli? My little Chabelita. Are you okay? Tell me if you're okay, Chabelita. Mommy loves you. Chabelita, tell me if you want something. Because I will give everything to make you chubby. My little Chabelita, I really love you, Chabelita. You are so cute, my little Chabelita.
JJ nga, ganyanin mo.
Yoko?
Brutísimo.
Oo. We are now here at the harbor. Wala pa yung wala pa yung yate. But wait. You will see the yacht. Nandito na kami sa harbor. I'm with my brother. Hi, oh my God, brother, you are so handsome. Naniwala na kayo. Kaya na kaya natin magkali. Ang galing mo talaga. Teka lang. Ang hirap mag-vlog! I'm the queen of the vlog!
Woo! We're the queen! Queen! Woo!
And today, I will bring you to your room. May sarili kayong kwarto sa yate. Yes!
Grabe!
Are you ready, my boy?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
Pero alam mo yung yate dito, te.
Of course!
Grabe ka!
Because I and my friend rented it. Here is your room.
Te, sino ba kasi yung friend mo, te? Sino yung friend mo? Sino?
You will meet him later. Tsaka huwag niyo na tanungin, baka magulat kasi mga kaya kong gawin. Ako ang reyna ng tuba.
Eh, totoo yun! Totoo yun!
Manahimik ka.
Okay.
Masyadong malakas yung palakpak mo.
Ah, sorry.
Game. Huwag ka nga pumalakpak. Kami na lang niyayo dito.
Sige, te.
Come here, my little Chabelita. Kami ka leeg po.
Leg? Wala kang leg eh.
Yo, what's up, mga Big Queen Man? Bago naman tayo pinagkakakitaan nito, ang Earn PH. Sa mga magre-register, andun sa comment section yung link. And alam niyo na ulit, sa mga magre-register dyan sa link ko, mamimili ulit ako dyan na mapapaambulan ko. Yes, good luck, Memor.